Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up effortlessly deployment for scalable web apps, detailed guide step by. Open your terminal. Ensure you have the Fly CLI installed. Run the command fly version to verify the installation. If it's not installed, follow the instructions on the fly.io documentation. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into the directory using cd your project name. Initialize your Fly application with Fly Launch. This command will prompt you to create a new Fly app. Choose a name for your app and select a region. Now, create a Docker file in your project directory. This file will define how to build your application image. Specify the base image you need for your web app. For example, use from Node Alpine for a Node.js application. Add your application code into the Docker file. Use the copy command to include your files. Set the working directory using workdir/app. Install dependencies with a command like run npm install. Expose the necessary port your application will run on. Typically, it's port 3000 for web applications. In the Docker file, use expose 3000 to specify this. Now you'll need to create a fly.toml file. This file contains the configuration for your Fly app. Use Fly Launch again if it wasn't created automatically. Open the fly.toml file in your text editor. Ensure the app name matches your Fly application name. Specify the environment variables your app needs. This is done under the env section in the fly.toml. For example, if you're using a database, define the connection string here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.